Hi viewers, welcome back. In this video, I would like to share with you a simple version of lemon rice. This recipe is great if you're pressed for time or if you have a picky eater and you're looking for a quick fix. My toddler loves the crunchiness of the peanuts and the tanginess of the lemons. So let's get started. Let's take a quick look at the ingredients. 1 teaspoon turmeric, bunch of curry leaves, 5 to 6 slit green chili, 2 tablespoons oil, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, handful of peanuts and cashew, 1 teaspoon urad daal and 1 teaspoon chana daal, salt to taste and 1 lemon. In this recipe, I am using 1 cup of basmati rice, but you can substitute this with any rice of your choice. Now let's look at the IP settings. Turn on saute mode and wait for a minute for the inner pot to heat up. Once the pot is hot, add oil and wait for a minute. Once the oil is hot, add cumin and mustard seeds and then add curry leaves and then add green chilies. Add urad dal and chana dal and fry for a minute. Once the chana dal turns golden brown, add peanuts and cashews and fry them for a minute. Once the cashews turn brown, add turmeric. Add rice. For 1 cup of rice, add 2 cups of water. At this point, add salt. Now close the lid and turn off saute mode. Turn on manual or pressure cook and set it to 4 minutes and make sure the whistle is in sealing mode. I have let the pressure release for around 3 minutes. Now I'm gonna do a quick release. Once the safety valve is down, open the lid. The rice is perfectly done. And at this point, fluff the rice a little. And I have squeezed the lemon juice. You can also use lime if you want. Add this juice to the rice and fluff this a little and then let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes and then it's all ready to be served.